What is this called?
A brown bird.
Sparrow.
Oh, sparrow.
Sparrow.
Okay.
What is this called?
A gray bird.
Pigeon. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
What is this called?
Blackbird.
Crow. Crow. What is this called?
A big bird.
Eagle. Eagle.
Eagle.
What is this called?
A color bird.
Parrot. Parrot.
Parrot.
What is this called?
Mouthwing.
Owl. Owl. What is this called?
A tuk-tuk bird.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
What is this called?
A duck.
Duck.
Ah, yes.
Duck.
Yeah.
What is this called?
Another duck.
Goose. Goose. What is this called?
Two birds.
Seagull. Seagull.
Go.
What is this called?
Blackbirds.
Swallow. Swallow. What is this called?
Swarovski.
Swan. Swan. What is this called?
One-legged bird.
Flamingo.
Oh.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
What is this called?
Colorful chicken.
Peacock.
Oh.
Peacock.
Oh.